Hey everyone, this is our writing lesson for the week. It's a little bit longer, so we're just going to do one for this short week. I am first going to read you the story, Hey Little Ant, and then afterwards we're going to want to know your opinion about how the story should end. Hey Little Ant by Philip and Hannah Hoos, illustrations by Debbie Tilley. Hey little ant, down in that crack, can you hear me? Can you talk back? See my shoe? Can you see that? Well, now it's gonna squish you flat. Please, oh please, do not squish me. Change your mind and let me be. I'm on my way home with a crumb of pie. Please, oh please, don't make me die. Look at this page. I'm going to turn it this way. Anyone knows that ants can't feel. You're so tiny, you don't look real. I'm so big and you're so small, I don't think it would hurt at all. But you are a giant, and giants can't know how it feels to be an ant. Come down close, I think you'll see that you are very much like me. Are you crazy? Me like you? I have a home and a family too. You're just a speck that runs around. No one would care if my foot came down. Oh, big friend, you are so wrong. My nestmates need me, 'cause I am strong. I dig our nest and feed baby ants too. I must not die beneath your shoe. But my mom says that ants are rude. They carry off our picnic food. They steal our chips and breadcrumbs too. It's good if I squish a crook like you. Hey, I'm no crook. Read my lips. Sometimes ants need crumbs and chips. One little chip can feed my town. So please don't make your shoe come down. But all my friends squish ants each day. Squishing ants is a game we play. They're looking at me. They're listening too. They all say I should squish you. Now the ant is big. I can see you're big and strong. Decide for yourself what's right and wrong. If you were me and I were you, what would you want me to do? So you can see now the ant is pretending to be the big one. And down underneath is the boy. Should the ant get squished? Should the ant go free? It's up to the kid, not up to me. We'll leave the kid with the raised up shoe. What do you think the kid should do? The end. Now, boys and girls, that's what we want to know. We want to know, what should that boy do? So we just read the story, Hey Little Ant. And we had our ant who came up with many good reasons why he should not get squished. He's only taking one little piece of food, and he's big and strong for his ant family, and he takes care of them. And he really doesn't do much to people. He leaves them alone, and he's just taking the crumbs. It's not like he's walking off with the whole hot dog. But the kid said, well, you're rude for taking my food. It's a fun game to play. No one will care if I squish you. Well, we want to know, should the boy squish the ant or save the ant? What do you think? We would love for you to either write a sentence and use the word because, Or you could have someone in your family take a video of you, and you can tell us what your opinion is. Should the boy squish the ant or save the ant? Off you go.